Hello, today we will guide you through how to edit group members in Splitwise. If you need to update who's included in a Splitwise group, this process is quick once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, we'll go through how to open the app, find your group, access the group settings, remove a member, and add someone new. As you follow along, make sure you're working in the correct group, since changes to membership can affect how expenses are shared and tracked. Start by opening the Splitwise app. Once the app loads, you should be taken to the main area where your balances, recent activity, or groups are visible. Give the screen a moment to fully load if needed, especially if your connection is slow. Next, tap on Group at the lower left of the screen. This will take you to the section where your shared groups are listed. If you belong to multiple groups, take a second to identify the one you want to edit before moving forward. Now tap on the sample group. This opens the group page, where you can view the current members, expenses, and overall activity for that shared space. It's a good idea to double check that you're in the right group before making any member changes. Once you're inside the group, tap on Settings at the top right. The Settings area is where you can manage group-related options, including the member list. This is the section you'll use for both removing and adding people. To remove someone, tap on the sample member from the group member list. This should open that member's options or profile within the group. Review the selection carefully so you don't remove the wrong person by mistake. Then tap on Delete to remove. This action removes that member from the group. Depending on the app version, you may see a confirmation prompt, so read it carefully before proceeding. Keep in mind that removing a member may impact how existing balances or shared expenses appear, so it's worth reviewing the group details afterward. If you want to add someone instead, go back to the Group Settings area and tap on Add People. This will let you invite or include another person in the group. Follow the prompts shown on your screen to complete the addition. Be sure to confirm the correct person is being added so future expenses are shared accurately. And that's how to edit group members in Splitwise. Once you're done, take a quick look through the group to confirm the member list is updated correctly.